What's going on, everybody? It's St. Patty's Day, and we're doing it spring break style in Clearwater Beach, Florida. Right now, we're actually just south of Clearwater Beach at Sandkey Park because we're coming out here to make some lunch, and then we're gonna head over and participate in all that fun stuff Clearwater Beach has to offer. Who's we? It's me, Cheyenne, and Ricky today. St. Patty's Day, y'all. I always wear a tie everywhere I go. It's a professional thing to do. All right, guys, today for lunch, we're having pancakes. We're also gonna have Lucky Charms. Why are we doing a breakfast food for lunch? Well, because it's Dad and the kids, and we can. It's spring break. It's St. Patty's Day. Whatever one of those worked for you for a good excuse, they worked for us, so that's what we're doing. Oh, and we're gonna make them green. We have Cool Whip, it's called Ready Whip. Cool Whip's the one in the tub, Ready Whip's the one you squirt on with the can. So it's green pancakes with Ready Whip on top, some Lucky Charms, and bacon. Do we want 5 to 7 pancakes, 10 to 14, 15 to 21, or 20 to 28?
10 to 14. 3.
10 to 14 pancakes?
Yeah, 3.
Oh, yeah. I guess it depends on how big we make them. We need to stir the stuff. Do you put Pam in the bottom of the pan for pancakes? And then we need to flip the pancakes. So we have a flipper. Anybody want a drink? Oh, here's the bacon. I love this knife. Guys, here's another reason or another example. You can go anywhere on a pretty low budget and make you a meal in some of the, I'm not gonna call this the neatest place in the world, but you can go wherever you want and cook you up a meal with your family, friends. I've lived here my whole life. I've never stepped foot in this park, but now because I'm trying to find a place to have a little off the beaten path from the crazy Clearwater action and find me a place to cook up a meal, makes for a good spot. Uh-oh, did I go over? 2.5 cups.
Oh, you're gonna need more than, oh.
Perfect.
That's fine, yeah.
All right. You like yours not as crispy, right?
Yes,
Maybe I should test one. Want one?
What?
Nothing.
I burnt a couple. That's okay. Let's see how they crunch. As soon as we wrap this up, green pancakes, baby.
So water. That looks delicious. Can you see that? How about that? Maybe
I'd
that'll
say
do
more.
something. Really?
Yeah, get her nice and green. We want a palette of sod on our plate.
I feel like this is really bad for you. Ooh. There you are. Ooh, that's a pretty green. Have you ever had a green pancake before? Remember when we were kids and they would make like green eggs and ham? Like, and you'd watch the, yeah, that's what this reminds me of. It's not gonna taste good.
Pretty good.
Okay. We need a spoon. Yeah, can you get the spoon? Mmm, delicious. Very first pancake going in. How's that look?
Looks good to me.
It's gonna be a big one, that's for sure.
I'll take it.
I don't think it's ready yet. No, I don't think it's ready. Nope. No. Once it gets a little bit hotter, I'm gonna try.
All right. Ooh.
We could have let it go a little longer. That's gonna be interesting. You called for the first pancake. You get to eat that one. We got our first pancake. That looks, yeah. The first is always the worst, okay? Don't zoom in on it. Let's try and make 2 this time. Ooh, that looks good. This one's not ready yet because it's not as bubbly. That one looks so much better. Told you, it's the first ones that are mess ups.
All right, guys, we're having a great day out here. This is really, really nice weather. A little windy, but for a beach day in Florida, it's fantastic. Cheyenne's over there cooking the pancakes. We got some chairs set up. We were kind of behind the truck over there in the shade, but we decided to move around the side just to be blocked from the wind a little bit. But this is Sandkey Park, just a county park where you can come out and enjoy the beach. That way, where you see these buildings way in the background, is across the water. There's a cut that comes from the intercoastal waterway, which would be out that way, and that cut takes you by water out to the Gulf of Mexico. And the other side over there is where Clearwater Beach is and all the touristy stuff where we're gonna go check out later on. Are my pancakes ready? I'm hungry. Ooh, look how nice and green that is inside there. I mean, it's got so much syrup and butter and Ready Whip and marshmallows. How's that? Good stuff right there. Good job, Cheyenne. It's just hard to beat pancakes, especially with all this stuff on top. Green for the holiday and some good bacon. Clearwater Beach, Florida, guys. Spring break, gotta love it. Really, really moist. I mean, look at that. This has got to be the coolest pancake breakfast I've ever had, though. Thank you. All right. All right, that's enough hanging out in the parking lot, guys. Let's go check out this beach. Crazy windy out here today, guys. Crazy wind. You good, buddy? Sandkey Park, it's a county park. It's probably like a hidden gem. If you're ever looking for a place to just get out there and get on the beach, right now Clearwater is chaos. You cross that bridge, there was plenty of parking. You go right out on the beach, nice restrooms, everything right there. So now we're in some thick traffic. We're trying to make our way over to wedge into some parking spot over here in the hustle and bustle of Clearwater Beach. We want to maybe poke in a couple shops, maybe see the beach out there. We'll go check out the pier, hopefully watch the sunset. Well, guys, we made it out here to the beach. People every freaking where. Again, that Sandkey Park's the place to go if you want to get out of the hustle and bustle. But we actually wanted to jump into this craziness and show you what's going on. This is the Clearwater Beach. This is what it's known for, guys, this white sand. It's what it's all about. Over here you have all the crazy traffic. You got all these high-rise buildings up here. This is what everybody comes here for, to be able to stay right there on the beach, go into those surf shops, and later, hopefully, go out there and enjoy a sunset. Guys, I'm looking through the window here, but this is one of those places where I guess you can practice surfing. I'm not sure what kind of board he's on there. There comes somebody else. There she goes. Oh, she's done being washed up. Good philosophy.
Big surf style too.
Yeah, that's the parking garage. Well, guys, there's no shortage of fishing charters, sailing charters, sunset cruises, whatever you want to do to get out on the water. There's jet skis, all kinds of stuff going on around here. You good, Cheyenne? Guys, welcome to the Clearwater Beach Grand Wyndham Hotel, something like that. We're waiting on sunset. This is a cool lobby with some air conditioning going on, so we just decided we're gonna check this place out. All right, guys, we're gonna stick this out till sunset and then we're gonna get out of here. This place is getting crazy. We just literally saw a guy running and getting tased right next to us. And then we saw people getting hauled away a little ways down in a side-by-side, you know, a police side-by-side. They had someone cuffed and taken away. Then we walk up and there's someone handcuffed on a bench. It's just a lot of A lot of craziness happening, but it is spring break. There's thousands of people out here. But anyway, we're gonna try to enjoy this sunset and then we're gonna skedaddle. There's Ricky and Cheyenne taking pictures of each other. Pretty windy day, but man, this is just beautiful. God's creation. All right, I think we can see the sunset a little bit in that one.
I don't know, but look how clear well, not clear, but like teal the water is.